Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So in this session we are going to learn how we can create the matrix report by using the report wizard in SSRS. Okay, so till now we have created the tabular report. In this session we will understand what is the matrix report and how we can create in SSRS. So right click on this report folders. If you can see on my screen, we have this project open already, SSRS solution already open. So here we have a report folder. Right click on it and there is an option. The very first option is a report wizard. So click on add new report wizard. Click on next here and we need to choose the data source. So keep the same name, or if you wanted you can change the name of the data source as well. Click on add it. Here you wanted to give the connection string. For that you need to provide the server name. So go to the SQL Server Management Studio, click on connect, click on database engine. Here you can get the server name. Copy this, close this dialog box, go to here, paste it server name here, go to the database table here and select the sample DB. You can test the connection, which is fine. Click on OK. Now connection string has been set up. Click on next. So our data source is now set up. Now if you want you can use the query builder to create your query, and I already have a query in my query pane in SQL Server. So you can copy this query over here. Click on next. Now it is asking which type of report you want. This time we want the matrix report. Click on next. So let's understand what matrix reports. Matrix reports are those reports where you have your columns and rows both are dynamics. Okay, and you can group your data on the basis of particular column. That means your columns or that means if you go back and you can see here, so these are the details, these are the columns and these are the rows. Okay, so we have the we can have the data will be dynamic. So I mean if the rows will be expanded, this data will be expanded as well. If the column is expanded, the data will be expanded. In tabular format, what will happen when we have few columns, right? So those few columns, like we have a 4 columns in the table, then 4 columns will be static. The number of rows will be getting increasing, but number of column will not be increased. But in matrix it is not it is not the same case. The column data will also be increased and the rows data will also be increased. Okay, that is why we have this header columns in both side, on column level at an or and at a row level. So click on next. Now it is asking the design of matrix. Which columns do you wanted in your page, which columns do you wanted in your columns, rows and detail. So one thing you have noticed here, so when we choose the matrix, okay, report, so there we have this three layout, this four things to be chosen, like page level, column level, row level and detail level. If you go back and if I select tabular, then what will happen, I got only 3 options here: page, group and detail. Okay, so that means group means grouping of rows, details of all the data, and if you have any column which you wanted to display on the page level, then this is the option. There is no option of rows and columns here because our table is our report is going to be tabular format. So go back. So this is the difference, right? I hope you understood here. So click on matrix, go to the next. Here we have a page level, column, rows and details. So let's say I don't want anything to be on page level as of now, but I wanted the columns to be displayed. The columns what I wanted here is in reason, okay, and the rows which I wanted to display here is country on the basis of rows, and every other columns like salesperson name, product name, input sold, out item sold and unit price, that would be in detail. So what is going to happen here, if you select the country, if you select the region, so it is yellow highlighter is here, so that it is saying that your region will be displayed here as a column, your country will be displayed here as a your row. Okay, row header, and region will be displayed as a column header, country would be displayed as a row header, and all other these fields, this will be displayed as your detail in the report. So this is the format you are going to have in this matrix report. So this is fine. Click on next and make it as give as name sample matrix. Just I'm giving as a sample matrix name. Preview, click on preview or keep uncheck it, finish. So it will be created and there we will format it and then we will see. make it in middle and give some good colors. So go to the preview and see. Okay, so see here, the formatting is very bad, so that is why what will happen. So if you see here the columns Asia, Europe, North America, these are coming as I have three reasons in the table. If you see here, this just analyze this data first. So in reason we have Asia region, North America, and Europe region. Three regions only. Country, I have this many countries: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 countries here. Okay, so matrix report. What matrix report is showing? The all the 7 countries will be displayed in row, as a row. China, India, Moscow, New York, Rome, Spain, Washington. Okay, and all the regions Asia, Europe, and North America, it is displaying as a column, and inside of it whatever the data we have, it is going to display. Like for Asia region, we have the data for these two country only, so that is why I got two records in this category, in this section. Okay, for Europe region, I have two countries, Moscow and New York, and okay, Moscow and Rome in Spain. Okay, so that is why I got this three records here. And for North America, I have New York and Washington as a two country. So for that we have these two records. So I'll go to the design and give a little bit. I'll not make it as a bold, rather I'll make it reason as a bold. Okay, and I'll make this column section, country section as a bold. Okay, and go to preview and see this. So this is the countries, these are the regions. So you can do one thing, you can change the layout. If you want your region to be in row side, so then you can change it to the row side, and you can keep your country at the column level side. So this way you can create your, so what will happen, so what is the basic importance, or we can say benefit of having the matrix report? Just in case in future, if you create one more record which is having the reason which is other than these three reasons, like okay, if you create one record which is having the South America region, then what will happen, it will be automatically populated in the report. Okay, the column will automatically added in this matrix report. So this will not be happen in the tabular report. So that is why we have the need of the matrix report, and that is the importance of the matrix report. So this way you can create the matrix report, and you can play around with using your columns as a row and the column. So okay, so this way you can create it. So I hope you like the video. In case if you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. And thank you, and have a nice day. Happy learning.